Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to do a strobe light effect here in Premiere Pro. Getting started, we have two clips here in our timeline. Take notice that one clip is overlapping the other clip. Highlight that first clip, go up to Effects and type in Strobe Light. Take that strobe light, double click on it, and it will add it to that top clip. Navigate over to your Effect Control panel. Here under Strobe Light, you will see Blend With. Click on the stopwatch next to Blend With to set a keyframe. Let's change that to 100%. We're then going to go back to our timeline. Move over one frame by clicking your right arrow key one time. Go back here, change that to 0. We're then going to go down to Strobe Duration, change that to 0.1. The next one, 0.2. Playing through the clip, this is what you will see. Now to further add to this, we can go here under Strobe where it says Operates and Make Layer Transparent. Now when we play through it this time, this is what it will look like. And it's as easy as that to do a flash fade or strobe light effect here in Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe for future Premiere Pro tutorials.